Yes, fish tea is ready. Now we're going to eat. Join me, won't you guys? Guys, it is a cold day here in Florida. It is, I think, 32 degrees right now. Um, so hence the robe. So making sure to stay warm, and that's why we're having the fish tea. I haven't had fish tea in a long time. So I'm so excited and looking forward to having that today. I mean, years, I not have fish tea. So I'm very excited that we have fish tea today. It's a very easy to make recipe, easy to prepare. All you have to do is just get your pot of hot water, get your vegetables, cook it, put it in there, and then of course add your nice little spices to spice up the pot. It's really simple and easy to prepare. And on such a cold day, you want to have soup. So why not go with something that's easy to prepare? So please remember to subscribe to the channel. Sophie Family TV. If you've never been on the channel before, welcome, welcome, welcome. So hit that subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up, like the video, and be sure to comment. Tell us what you have on a cold day. When you cold fish tea, chicken with soup, chicken soup, what do you have? So let's get the talking going. All right, let's get back to cooking. All right, so these are all the vegetables already cubed up. You know, the carrot, tomato, chocho, um, Irish potatoes, all of them already cubed up. I'm just going to keep it in water. Actually, doing a quick wash and we'll put it in the boiling water, the water that was already boiling. Very important to wash your vegetables. And guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And please be sure to hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It costs you nothing to subscribe. All right, so we're pouring it into the hot water. So all of that will just go on boiling because you know with fish, it don't take much for it to cook. So we're just seasoning it, and then a little bit of salt to the pot, and we shall continue. All right, so now we're doing some dumpling for the soup. We're going to do some regular dumpling and some spinners. So you hear the pot over there, so I smoke up like crazy. So of course, easy to make dumpling. All-purpose flour and some salt. And for anybody who wants to learn how to make dumplings, I think we're going to be doing a fried dumpling video, how to make fried dumplings, so then you can watch that one. But for this one, this is boiled dumpling, so pretty simple to make. Just make sure you don't oversaturate it with water, so it not get all mushy and peka. So you just want the right consistency. So when you finish rub it, you see everything just rub off at the edge of the container. So dough being made. And over on that side, the pot I make pure noise because we don't have on the right pot cover. But so it goes. And just like that, dough is made. So we're just gonna have it sit for a few and then make the dumpling and the spinner. Yeah. So that is what it looks like outside. Pretty muggy and gloomy. That looks so exciting. Usually the day nice and bright is not. So that's why you want to have hot soup. So the fish tea come in so handy for today. So that's what the weather is like. Very cold today. What's the weather? What's the temperature at? Where are you at? Put it in the comment. Let me know what your Sunday looks like. Alright, so we're adding the seasoning. So we're just adding some onion to it. That's what it's looking like, guys. Catch this steam. Look at all the colors in the pot. Well, I always have a colorful pot. So that is it. All of the food cooking. Just waiting for the main ingredient to be added. Well, maybe main ingredients, because you still have beautiful Maggi to be added, all purpose, fish soup, dumpling, snapper, thyme, and okra. Okay, so now we're adding our ingredients. So spinach thyme. So just put a little bit of flour on it, just to make it easier for form. And then we'll get on with the cooking. And I cannot wait to be done with this fish tea so we can have some fish tea, because it's only getting colder and colder and darker and darker. So making a regular boiled dumpling first, and then we throw the spinach in there. So probably do 2 or 3 of the regular dumpling, and then we'll do the spinach. Hear the pot a bubble up. The pot say yes. Give me the ingredients, guys. Me ready. Let me gear where you forget. Always so exciting to have just meals from Jamaica, things that we had in our childhood, those memories that we love, where is sitting around with your cousins and your grandparents and uncles and auntie, and just enjoying this life. So it is just really good memories. So I actually do enjoy days like this when, things like fish tea, when we ever have that. So let's do some spinach. And spinach, you just take piece of the dumpling, the dough, rub it in your hand, turn it in a one long string something, and that's what we call spinach. So this is what, see, that's what spinach look like. And that is it. Alright, so we're adding the snapper to it. So remember we just did the dumpling, so now we'll put the snapper in. Because they not take long for do, dumpling not take long for boil, snapper not take long for boil either. So all of that's in, and then that way we're going to be finished cooking in a few minutes, probably, 15 minutes or so, and then the soup ready. So snapper is in, and that is the main ingredient. That is where the flavor going to be, and of course that's the protein we have, and we just stir and cover everything, and then we'll add all the other ingredients to it. So we're adding some okra, not a lot of okra because we don't want it slimy, and we're putting in the leftover piece of onion. So that's it, and soon we'll have the other stuff added in, including, well, right now we're adding in the thyme. There you go. And we're adding the Scotch bonnet pepper. So of course we don't want, hopefully Scotch bonnet no burst, because we don't want no pepper, because we have a little baby, we have a toddler in the house, and we don't want the pepper burn her up, although boy, she handle the pepper much better than we do. So that is it. Add a little more water to thin it out, and then later on we'll add the Maggi seasoning and the fish seasoning to nice up the pot. And that's it. Now we'll make it boil. Look on the color. looking so good. That is it. All right, so the pot continued, and so now we're going to add our fish season. So we just pour the entire thing out because I want the noodles in it. You know, some people, oh yes, and of course we're adding some Maggi. So that's seasoning the pot. There we go. Maggi, 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 and we're going to put all of that in. So, of course, you know, the steam coming up on the camera. So, hush. So that's how you know, say, boy, nice. And boy, it just smells so good because now the fish starting to cook, so you can smell, you know, that kind of ocean smell. But it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. It's like me all have a headache. I wait for it finish. Yeah, man. So we're going to continue to make it boil up, and then we're going to taste in case we need to add no more seasoning to it. So see you in a few minutes. So I'm going to take one little taste of bite. Just a little bit. Because it smells like you're ready. I'm going to say if you're ready. Just cool it down because boy, hot. You know, it's a hot like fire. So good. So good, guys. So good. Oh, your beautiful soup. Oh, yes, guys. So this is my fish tea. You can see yam okra carrot, spinach dumpling, okra, and of course the snapper. So I'm gonna dig in and enjoy. What soup did you make, guys, on this cold day? All right, guys. So see, fish tea ready. Let me taste it and tell you how it is. Although we already know it is very good because remember I get a little sample. But here it is. Oh gosh, you know when you eat food and it just make you smile because it's like it just flood you with memories of when you were younger and just had no care in the world. And when it was cold, you get soup, or actually every Saturday you get soup. This is one of those days. So thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. And please, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me that like. Press the like button and hit the post notification bell so you know when we drop another video. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me go back to having my soup. And as usual, God bless and make it a great day, won't you? See you in the next video. Bye.